The human body is an incredibly complex and amazing system. But even though we spend all day with ourselves, there are still plenty of things that you probably don't know about your body. Here we have compiled a quick list of 50 interesting facts for you to drop in conversation and impress your family and friends. Before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. Try to watch the video till the end because each fact is fascinating. The eye's cornea is the only part of a human body that has no blood supply. It gets oxygen directly through the air. Can't remember your dream from last night? That's perfectly normal since most people will forget 90% of their dreams. Children actually tend to grow a bit faster in the spring than during other times of the year. The human brain has a memory capacity equivalent to more than 4 terabytes on a hard drive. Your skull is made up of 29 different bones. A single human brain generates more electrical impulses in a day than all the phones of the world combined. Nerve impulses sent from the brain move at a speed of 274 kilometers per hour. Right-handed people live, on average, 9 years longer than left-handed people. If you're a female and you feel like your heart beats quicker than your male counterparts, you're not wrong. Women's hearts are proven to beat faster than men's. As well as having faster heartbeats, women blink twice as much as men as well. It's not just your cheeks that turn red and expose your embarrassment when you're blushing. Your stomach also turns red, but not many people will notice this. A newborn child can breathe and swallow at the same time for up to 7 months. The human embryo acquires fingerprints within 3 months of conception. Every 3 to 4 seconds, around 50,000 cells in your body will die and be replaced by new ones. If you're a man, the smallest cells in your body are sperm cells. If you thought steel was strong and durable, then you are wrong. Your bones are 5 times stronger. Teeth are the only part of the human body that cannot heal themselves. Only 7% of people in the world are left-handed. A person who smokes a pack of cigarettes a day is doing the equivalent of drinking half a cup of tar a year. The best camera in the world has 200 megapixels, but your eyes would have 576 megapixels if it was a camera. The human brain is very powerful. It uses as much energy as a 10-watt light bulb. Every 10 years, the human skeleton repairs and renews itself. Essentially, you have different bones now than you did 10 years ago. No matter how many times you try, it's impossible to sneeze and keep your eyes open at the same time. Human lips are hundreds of times more sensitive than the tips of a person's fingers. A passionate kiss increases a person's pulse to 100 beats per minute or more. A person passes on 278 different types of bacteria to another person when they kiss them. Fortunately, 95% of them are not harmful. People burn more calories being asleep than they do by watching TV. More reason to take a nap. Humans are constantly shedding particles of skin throughout the day. You'll mainly notice this when you get out of the bath or shower. By the time you're 70 years old, you will have shed around 100 pounds of skin. Despite washing your hair and lathering your body with soap, there's one place that people often neglect to clean that doctors say is a breeding ground for bacteria: your belly button. It is the 4th dirtiest place in our body. About 2,368 species of bacteria nestled into navels. Out of that, 1,458 of which may be new to science. Approximately 1 in every 2,000 babies already has a tooth when they are first born. No matter how ticklish you are, it's impossible to tickle yourself, since you're expecting it and your brain processes it differently. The muscles which help your eyes to focus complete around 100,000 movements a day. In order to make your leg muscles do the same amount of movements, you would need to walk 80 kilometers. A person would die quicker from a total lack of sleep than from hunger. Death would occur after 10 days without sleep, whereas from hunger it would take several weeks. If you want to burn maximum calories, go for a run when you first wake up and before you eat anything. Exercising on an empty stomach will burn around 20% more calories. Your big toe is the most useful one when it comes to moving around. It bears around 40% of your overall body weight. Babies blink once or twice per minute, compared to adults who blink around 10 to 12 times per minute. Fingernails grow about 4 times faster than your toenails. People with blue eyes are more sensitive to pain than others. A person who smokes a pack of cigarettes a day is doing the equivalent of drinking half a cup of tar a year. At birth, a child's body is made up of around 300 bones. As they grow up, the bones join together, which is why an adult has just 206. The chemical compound in the body which causes feelings of ecstasy is also contained in chocolate. Your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days. Yeah, it's true. The stomach protects itself against its own digestive acids by regenerating a new stomach lining every 3 to 4 days. The average person has about 250 hairs on each eyebrow. These hairs get completely replaced every 4 months. When you listen to music, your heart starts beating in sync with it. Your right lung is shorter than the left one because it has to leave some room for your liver. The largest organ in your body is your skin. Our liver has the amazing ability to regenerate itself, making liver transplants possible. When people donate half their liver, the remaining part of the liver regenerates the removed section. Your eyes focus on 50 different objects every second. The shark cornea is nearly identical to the human cornea, and has even been used in human eye surgery. The small pink and white bumps on a person's tongue are not taste buds like many people seem to think. These are called papillae, and they house the taste buds, which the naked eye cannot see. We blink our eyes more when we talk and blink less when we're reading. We are curious to know which fact impressed you the most. Would you please share your thoughts in the comments section? And please give thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it.